we are going to learn evaluate. Evaluate means find the value. Minus 3 by 7 the whole raised to minus 3 into 2 by 7 the whole square. So children, first our job is to convert the negative exponent to positive. So we will shift the places of numerator and denominator and we will write this as it is. So now minus 7 raised to 3 means minus 7 cube. So multiply 3 times and 3 cube is 3 into 3 into 3. 2 square is 2 into 2. 7 square is 7 into 7. So let us cancel. 7 ones are. So this minus 7 minus 1. 7 ones are. So minus 1. Now minus 7 into 4 is minus 28. And 3 threes are 9. 9 threes are 27. You can convert into mixed fraction also. Okay. Now next sum. Now this is a, you can see here 2 raised to minus 3 into 3 raised to minus 3. So here base is different and powers are same. That means a raised to m into b raised to m will give you ab the whole raised to m. That means a and b has to be multiplied. So 2 threes are 6 and m will be as it is divided by 6 raised to minus 6. Now here base is same, powers are different and we have to do division. What does the law say? A raised to m divided by a raised to n. Base same, powers different. A raised to m minus n. So what is m now? Minus 3. Then after writing m minus 3, you have to put minus. And what is the value of n? N is minus 6. So you have to put again minus 6. So remember children, this is m minus and this is n. So 6 raised to minus 3, minus into minus is plus 6. So 1 plus 1 minus, we will subtract and put the sign of greater number. So 6 cube is nothing but 216. Hope you understood children.